few days ago, we had the launch of amenities in Hutu Exclusive, and one of it was this stunning 7-bedroom mansionette right here. And today, I just want to take you inside to see how this 7-bedroom mansionette looks and what you think about it. So let's go on this journey together. You know, sometimes when you see houses like this, you may never really see the beauty until you see it in full display. So this is just our entrance, and I want to show you how this 7-bedroom mansionette has been designed, the interior, if it matches what you're seeing outside. Okay, so this is our entrance, the main entrance into this apartment. So when you come in, right to this way is our ante room, and some people call it the waiting room, just right here. So if you have a guest and they can sit here, wait for you while you come to attend to them. And right towards this way, there's a restroom here, and then this is one of the rooms downstairs, right? So here it's been designed as an office, a home office. You may choose to have it as a home office or whatever it is you want to use. You could use it as a room for your guests, whatever it is, but it is a room. So someone else has designed it as their home office. And there's also a bathroom right that way. This is the wardrobe. So now we move into the main house. And while we're here, this way is the second bedroom, right? This is the second room, and you can see it is fully set up. And right here is our beautiful, amazing, the bathroom is right there. And once you come into the room, we have our wardrobe right here. It's beautiful all the way to down here where you have your clothes and all, and then you can have your your TV right here as well. So and we have our sitting room here. See how massive this place is. It is really, really beautiful, so elegant, capturing that elegance, right? You can stay here with your family, have an amazing time, and you can see this beautiful chandelier from all the way up. Remember, it's a 7-bedroom mansionette with 2 suspended floors. And right here we have our dining setup for your family, and this door leads straight to the kitchen of the entire house. So you can come in, and this door leads to the balcony outside. So we have all our cabinets in place in the kitchen, and then there's also a store right here in the kitchen. So there's something I did not mention. You can look at this. This is automated, right? You can see this. And of course, you can have a few things. And this is our heading straight to the first floor. Everything has been properly, designed. So you picture, imagine you're the one living in this house, right? So right here, we just got to the second floor, or some people call it the middle floor, right? And one thing that amazes me is the thoughtfulness that have been put into construction of this, mansionette. So right here we have, on this floor, we have 3 bedrooms on this floor. We also have balconies. All the rooms have balconies, as a matter of fact. And then we have a mini, I'll call this like a mini sitting room as well, like a sitting space where you can sit here if you don't want to sit right downstairs, right? And just here is our balcony on this floor. It's so massive. So while you're here, you can literally watch people play golf over there, right? You can also view the clubhouse from here. You can view the sports complex from here. And this is another side of our balcony. See how massive this is. It's really beautiful, right? And you can sometimes sit here just to have a good view. Now, another thing is, this here takes us to the second room right on this floor. Sleep here, you can have an amazing view. Isn't this beautiful? Quite thoughtful. And the room is very spacious. We have the, the wardrobe here. And this is the bathroom right here. So this is the main entrance. This is the main entrance into this room, right? And then we're back to the passage that connects us to the other room. So this is the second room here. Like I said, each room has a balcony, and you can see how spacious each of these rooms are. And this is the balcony for this room. You can see that everything is connected together. And right here, we have the bathroom for this room, right? Everything is, you can see the window. There's one here, there's another one here, there's another one. Just right where we have all the curtains at the window. So the room is not going to be stuffy because it's properly ventilated. And this is the, for your clothes and your shoes and your bags and everything will be right here. So now this leads us to, let's look at the balcony. The next balcony on this floor, there's a little balcony just behind here. So you'll be able to see the view, the back view of the estate. So you can stay here and you're watching someone seated right down in the sitting room, like this young man seated there. Hi. And this is room 3. Remember, we have 2 rooms on the ground floor, and on this second floor we have 3 rooms. So this is the 3rd room. That makes it 5 rooms already. This is the 3rd one, and this is the bathroom right here in the 3rd one. There's a window for proper ventilation there, and there's another one here. And there's also a cooling system. You can see the vents up right in each of the rooms. Each of the rooms have it. And here this way, you have your wardrobe for your clothing and all. Up next, we're heading to the 1st floor. Call it the last floor. So right on this floor, we have 2 rooms. And this is the door to the 1st room and the door to the 2nd room. So if you're a family that have children, I would like to say this is the best room for them. Why? Because there's no balcony, right? There's no balcony here, so it's safer for your children. And of course, this room also has a bathroom. You can see it here. And also here, this is our wardrobe, right here. And then up next is the masters. This is the door that leads us to the masters. Wow, just look at this. Quite thoughtful. Remember, you have the option to design your interior to your taste, okay? So you're not tied to this specific designs you're seeing in this 7-bedroom mansion. So there's a small room here. You could use it as a, store, keeping things there for your office and all of that. The room is just there for you. So towards this way for the masters, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom for the masters. And this is our walk-in closet. This is our walk-in closet. So the husband and the wife can use this. Or if you're single, you can use it alone, right? So these kind of houses are not meant for only married or for only family people. You can be single and decide to build this for yourself, maybe because you're preparing for the future. Okay, so and we're heading right to the balcony of the masters. Remember, I mentioned that each of these rooms has a balcony, except for the one I mentioned earlier. So this is the balcony of the masters, right? So for the masters, they own this entire space, right? So you can literally spend time here with your wife alone, or you can have your alone times here. Maybe in the morning you can sit here, do your meditation, watch the morning sunrise, have your prayers. All the way to this side is still part of the balcony, okay, this way, and also this way is still part of the balcony, right? So you can spend some alone time here, and at the same time, you know, have a very good view of the entire estate. That's as far as your eyes can see. You'll be able to see this better. Now, having toured this beautiful 7-bedroom mansionette located right here in Hutu Exclusive with me, I believe you have a better view of what it is. So for as low as 575 million, a little above it, you'll be able to afford this house. Now it's coming to you built and delivered. Now that money includes the land, the building, that's the infrastructure, and then the finishing, that is wiring, tiling, POP, the painting and the screeding. All of that will be done. So you get the opportunity to design your interior, the finishing, what you want it to be like, the type of curtains you want, the kind of chairs, the settings and everything. You get to do that by yourself. And the beauty about this is we have flexible payment options available for you to pick from. So 7-bedroom mansionette is still available for sale, and if you're ready to own something like this, or if this looks like what you're looking for right here in the city of Abuja, then all you have to do is call the number you're seeing on the screen. By the way, Hutu Exclusive is an SCDA property. It is an estate and is located behind Centenary City, just off the Airport Expressway. Like I mentioned from the beginning of this video, we launched the amenities that are done constructing, right? So what I'm trying to say is that the estate is developing, right? Work is currently actively going on right here in Hutu Exclusive. And again, we still have plots available. So there's a 150 square meter plot available all the way to 1,000, and the 150 currently is selling for as low as 20 million, just a little bit above 20 million naira. So call the number you're seeing on screen right now, and let's help you lock in the units or the plots that you want immediately. We're waiting for your call. Have a fantastic day.